Have you ever signed up for a free trial with the best intentions, only to completely forget about it until you see a mysterious charge on your bank statement months later? We've all been there. Subscription services are a double-edged sword. They offer incredible convenience and access, but keeping track of them all can be a financial nightmare. Enter Rocket Money. But is it just another app vying for space on your already crowded phone screen? Well, the answer might surprise you. While Rocket Money does have a user-friendly app, that's just one piece of the puzzle. At its core, Rocket Money is a financial management service designed to help you take control of your finances, specifically by tackling those pesky subscription fees. Let's face it, in today's world, subscriptions are everywhere. From music streaming services and workout apps to meal kits and digital magazines, we're constantly bombarded with options. Signing up is easy, but keeping track? Not so much. That's where Rocket Money comes in. Here's how it works. Finding the hidden charges. Imagine having a personal bloodhound for your finances. Rocket Money connects securely to your bank accounts and scans for recurring charges. This includes subscriptions, memberships, and even those seemingly one-time purchases that magically reappear on your statement every month. Shining a light. Once Rocket Money identifies these recurring charges, it categorizes them clearly within an easy-to-understand interface. No more hunting through line items trying to decipher cryptic codes. You'll see exactly what you're paying for, how often, and where the money is going. Taking control. Knowledge is power, and with Rocket Money's insights, you're empowered to make informed decisions. Do you still use that meditation app you downloaded on a whim? With a tap, you can cancel it directly through Rocket Money. Did that magazine subscription you signed up for with a discount code somehow balloon in price? Rocket Money can help you renegotiate a better rate or cancel altogether. But wait, there's more. Rocket Money goes beyond just subscriptions. It also offers features like bill negotiation. Tired of haggling with cable companies or internet providers? Rocket Money can do the dirty work for you, potentially saving you hundreds on your bills. Account concierge. Need help managing multiple bank accounts or monitoring for suspicious activity? Rocket Money's concierge service can be your financial guardian angel. Savings goals. Having a clear picture of your finances is the first step to achieving your savings goals. Rocket Money helps you set realistic goals and track your progress, keeping you motivated on your path to financial freedom. Security concerns? Security is paramount when it comes to your hard-earned cash. Rocket Money utilizes the highest level of encryption to protect your financial data. They also adhere to rigorous industry standards and conduct regular security audits. Is Rocket Money right for you? If you're tired of feeling like your money is slipping through your fingers, or if the idea of hidden subscription charges makes you break out in a cold sweat, then Rocket Money is definitely worth considering. It's a user-friendly platform that empowers you to take control of your finances and free up cash for the things that truly matter. The bottom line. While Rocket Money offers a fantastic app, it's their comprehensive financial management approach that sets them apart. Whether you're a seasoned budgeter or just starting your financial journey, Rocket Money can be a valuable tool to help you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.